Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Hello, hi, assalamu alaikum viewers. I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine, alhamdulillah. In this video, guys, I am going to share with you most stunning and most beautiful but an art and craft ideas. These are very latest, very amazing, and very stunning. But and craft ideas. You guys easily make these craft ideas at home. You use your old buttons into new. Always think positive, guys. Always be positive. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. And hit the bell icon for more updates. These are very amazing, very stunning button craft ideas. Use these buttons into new. So guys, always take care. So these are, guys, these are top trending, top unique, and very latest ideas. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. And hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. These are super amazing and very beautiful button craft ideas. So guys, try these at your homes. Keep supporting my channel. Keep watching my videos. Always think positive. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz, guys.